how are you? Today's topic is about world history, general knowledge of world history, and it is helpful for all examinations of the world. Question number one is the American War of Independence was fought during the years 1775 to 1730 AD. Second number question is Stalin became the premier of USSR. USSR means ex-Russia, Russian ex-state Union of Soviet Socialist Republic in 1924 AD. Question number third is Lenin was succeeded by Stalin. Lenin was first president of USSR. And question number 4, in the Second World War, atomic bombs were dropped in Japan, which destroyed Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Number 5 question, Leningrad was built by Peter I in Russia. Number 6 question is White House, the residence of President of United States of America, is located at Washington DC 37. And number 7, the first Prime Minister of Israel was David Ben-Gurion, and he was following the policy of defer. He was postponing all matters with the Arab countries or United Nations. Number 8 question is the English king who was prepared to exchange his kingdom for a horse was Richard III. Number 9, Nixon was the President of United States of America, was succeeded by Gerald Ford. Number 10 question, Nixon resigned in the year 1974 AD after Watergate scandal. Number 11, the First World War broke out in 1914 AD. Question number 12, in the year 1959, Chinese occupied Tibet, which is now Chinese province. Number 13, a big naval expedition sent by Philip II against England was known as Spanish Armada. Number 14, Magna Carta is also known as the Bible of English Constitution. Number 15, the king who was forced to sign the Magna Carta was King John II. Number 16, Winston Churchill died in the year 1965 AD. Number 17, Battle of Britain was fought in the year 1940 AD. Number 18, Hitler launched Operation Barbarossa in 1941 against the Soviet Union, USSR. Number 19, Bolshevik Revolution took place in 1917 AD. Number 20, Christopher Columbus died in the year 1506 AD. Thank you. Wish you good luck. See you in next lecture.